2026, I really needed something that I could use for my own space, home space. The better part of last year, niliamua kwanza kunyoa clean bana. Baldi, niliamua kwa baldi. And the process of going to kinyozi kila saa bana, I do a 1 hour session kwa kinyozi dogo. Quite strenuous. So I decided, why not try and get what? A trimmer. So many options, saw a couple of them, watched many tutorials. Now this one is it. Close to traditional trimmer, digital, or rather whatever we'll call it. Yeah, it's lighter, it's not heavy, and from Oraimo. So yeah, I think it's called the EasyCut. Oraimo EasyCut. So let's see what's inside here, then tuone. So let's see what's inside here. Nice. There's nothing else in the box. Empty. So let's see. Now, simple packaging, not crazy, good, modest enough. So we have the trimmer here. This is the trimmer. Packaged one, not bad, in good condition, haijagongo. Then we have cable 1. I believe this is the charging cable, type A to type C. Then we have cleaning brush, tiny one, probably for the blades. Then we have the combs. See the exact name they're called, but yeah, these are the, I can say grade combs using a certain different level. So these are 2. It's a big one, a chunky afro hair, and kuna a tiny one. Then I think there are more. They're supposed to be in the box. So this is another. These are close actually. They're nice, packaged well, in good condition. Then let's see. There's another bottle here, a tiny one. I'm not sure what this is for. Probably this is the oil. There's some oil in it, but it's tiny. It's like half the bottle. See, half the bottle. Then obviously again. Probably I use it. Now for the main character of the show, we have the machine itself. It's nice, looks like the traditional trimmer. Haiko papaya. If I'm correct, this for the levers, the different levels, this turning it on and off. Yes, on off. Then the cover. Oil blades before using this. Yeah, this is the cover. It's so far so nice. Port, charging port. Now I think it's supposed to have an indication, battery indication on the top, but we'll see. So you see, it's good. It's nice sound. What else? Let's see. not bad, not heavy, vibrates less, not crazy, but nice. Yeah, this is the light. So far it's green, so that's full. Yeah, this knowledge from some few little reviews, but I'll do an in-depth review and see how it works. Also, I'll have a video of me using it, probably on my head. But yeah, thank you for watching.